Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Camon 18, and today I'll show you how you can access recovery mode on this device. So to get started, let's hold our power key, then select power off. Actually, looks like we need to just swipe it down. There we go. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. It looks like the device turns off if you hold it for too long, so let's try that again. So power key and volume up, and when you see the logo, let go of the power key. There we go. So once you see this image right here, you want to hold power key and press volume up once, and this will then take you to recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use the volume keys to navigate through the visible options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have a reboot system now, takes us back to Android. We can boot to bootloader or fast boot mode. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, or run tests, and also simply power off the device. So there we go, that's all the options here that are here. So I'm gonna now select reboot, confirm, and this will take me back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.